you enjoy that a little too much.
Where'd this come from?
Pankeska Rock. Big accident up there at the drill site. Got late pretty quick. Let's strip it tomorrow.
If I come back.
I don't think you're doing me the favor being here. I don't take charity.
Neither do I. This is a 6.4-liter Hemi V8.
Probably the only piece worth anything. Go ahead, it's yours. If anyone can get it working, you can. Hey, lock up for me. Old Huck ain't what he used to be.
I got 425 horsepower for you, buddy. You're not gonna be the prettiest thing in town. You're gonna have the heart of an elephant in you. Outrun that volcano? You bet we can, Mr. President. Oh, what are you doing in my truck? Yeah, I can take you and your sister to Coachella. Oh, sisters? Oh, God! Injectors engaged.
You're watching KYPS North Dakota, your #1 source for news.
Local residents were awakened by a catastrophic accident at Pankeska Rock, where Terravex oil workers fought a towering fire whose black smoke still filled the morning air. Rigger Wade Coley was on the scene when the accident happened.
Well, I heard an explosion and the tower crashed and
Dad?
guys were running and shouting and that's really all I'm allowed to say.
Why this shroud of secrecy and silence by Terravex Oil?
I just do my job. I really don't know. I can't answer any more questions.
You're here?
Back to you.